Hello, I'm Charlotte. I'm from the UK, and my favorite thing about Christmas is decorating the Christmas tree.
Hello, my name is Tom. I'm from the UK. My favorite thing about Christmas is eating all the food. Yum, 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 yum.
Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm from America. My favorite thing about Christmas is ketchup.
Hello, my name is Muna. I'm from Canada. And my favorite thing about Christmas is the Christmas lights.
It's Christmas! Let's have a Christmas party.
We need a Christmas cake to have a Christmas party.
Then let's make a Christmas cake.
But what ingredients do we need?
Do we need strawberries?
Yes, we do. Do we need a cake sheet?
Yes, we do. Do we need ketchup?
Ketchup? No! Why do we need ketchup? Making a Christmas cake together is so much fun!
Cream cheese,
Strawberries,
cake sheets,
Halloween syrup,
whipped cream,
pretzels, M&M's, chocolate.
candy canes, marshmallows, and candles!
What are we making?
We are making a Christmas cake.
That's so many ingredients. Can we do it together?
Let's do it together. Hooray!
Hello, chocolate. Open the chocolate.
Put it in the bowl.
It's milk chocolate. Say it with me.
It's milk chocolate. Is this chocolate hot or cold?
It's cold. We need to melt the chocolate. Repeat after me.
Melt the chocolate. Put it in the microwave. Say it with me.
Put it in the microwave.
microwave.
How long do I put it in the microwave?
Let's try for 1 minute.
Be careful.
Ta-da! It's melted chocolate. Say it with me.
It's melted chocolate. What is it?
It's a pretzel. We need to break it in half. Repeat after me.
Break it in half. Hey there, Marshmallow. How do marshmallows feel?
They are fluffy. Say with me.
They are fluffy. Let's make a reindeer. Stick the pretzel in the marshmallow. 1, 2. I'm done.
Now for the red nose.
Which reindeer has a red nose?
Rudolph. It's Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Repeat after me. Rudolph. It's Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
It's so cute.
What is it?
It's a strawberry. What colors are strawberries?
Strawberries are red and green. Say it with me. Strawberries are red and green.
Do I eat the green stem?
No! You eat the red fruit.
Let's cut the stem.
Don't cut too much. I love strawberries. I want to eat lots and lots.
Is this okay?
That's perfect.
I think these strawberries are too big.
How can we make them smaller?
We can cut them in half.
Wow, the strawberries are red and white.
They look so juicy. Say it with me.
They look so juicy.
How do strawberries taste?
Strawberries taste sweet. Repeat after me. Strawberries taste sweet.
It's frosting time.
I didn't know it was cold outside.
Tom, teacher, it's time to frost the cake.
Oh, I see. What do we need?
We need cream cheese.
What about some whipped cream?
Let's make the cream cheese creamy first.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. It's so hard. We need to stir for 5 minutes. Repeat after me. We need to stir for 5 minutes. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. How does it look?
It looks creamy and smooth. It's time for whipped cream.
Whipped cream, whipped cream, whipped cream. I love whipped cream. Say it with me.
I love whipped cream. Me too.
It's so fluffy. It's like a cloud.
Okay, Tom teacher, time to use your power. We need to mix for 5 minutes again. Mix, mix, mix.
Mix, mix, mix the frosting. Mix, mix, mix the frosting. Mix, mix, mix the frosting. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix, mix the frosting. Mix, mix, mix the frosting. Mix, mix, mix the frosting. Mix, 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 mix. I'm done.
Excellent job.
What's that?
It's a piping bag. Say it with me.
It's a piping bag.
Put the piping bag in a mug.
Add the frosting. Yum. Can I eat the frosting?
Walk away from the frosting.
Fine. Time to assemble.
Are you an Avenger, Tom Teacher?
Assemble the cake.
What is it?
It's a cake base. Repeat after me.
It's a cake base.
Squeeze the frosting on the cake base.
Tom Teacher, no!
What?
You can't eat the cake base.
It's to stop the cake from falling off.
Oh, so smart.
Cake sheet up. Put it on top. Say it with me.
Put it on top. Hallabong syrup up. Spread, spread, spread. Say it with me. Spread, spread, spread.
Let's make it pretty. Add the strawberries in a circle. Say it with me.
In a circle. Whee! Whee!
So fast.
It's frosting time.
Where do I put the frosting?
Do you see the gaps between the strawberries?
I see the gaps.
Squeeze the frosting in the gaps.
Squeeze! Say with me. Squeeze!
What shape is the cake?
It's a circle. Repeat after me. It's a circle.
Draw circles with the frosting.
This is so much fun. Say with me.
This is so much fun. Now let's do it all again.
Cake sheet on top.
Spread the hallabong syrup.
Strawberry time. Repeat after me. Strawberry time.
Wait, I can do it very fast. Are you ready?
Oh, it's a Christmas miracle.
No, Tom Teacher, it's magic.
Oh, add more frosting.
Then add the last cake sheet on top.
Let's decorate. Repeat after me.
Let's decorate. Squeeze the frosting.
How much?
Just a little, not a lot.
Put the reindeer on top.
It's your favorite candy.
Candy canes. Yum, yum, yum. Say it with me. Candy canes. Yum, yum, yum.
What shape are we making with the candy canes?
A heart. I love Christmas. Say it with me.
A heart.
I love Christmas.
Finally, we need our Santa candle. S-A-N-T-A. Say it with me.
S-A-N-T-A. Wow, it's so beautiful. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Let's say it together.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!